Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to scan and insert text in message app on iPhone. So if you have a notebook or any text that you want to scan in your iMessage or message app, here's how to easily do that. Go ahead and launch your message app on your iPhone and simply go to chat or message conversation. And now, first of all, open keyboard by tapping on text message box and again tap on text message and tap on autofill and here tap on scan text. And now, as you can see, I opened a book here. Now I will scan text from this book. And as you can see how it's working perfectly. Just focus your camera on the text. Which text part you want to scan. And just tap on insert. And this is how we can actually scan or insert text on our message app on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.